Good afternoon, Martin second graders. We are excited to have a brand new school year and to get started next week. We're going to show you how your routine's going to look. First of all, come in the main doors and you're going to have a seat in the cafeteria. Thank you, Mr. Armann.
You're welcome, Mrs. Morris.
As you come in, first and second graders will be sitting for breakfast in the cafeteria when you get in, and Mr. Armann and I will pick you up here. Keep on walking when we line you up. Leave the cafeteria. We're going to start down the big hallway where we will go past
the gym.
The gym.
To the right is the library.
And we're going to keep on going.
And this door to the right will be your music room.
And we're continuing on. Don't worry, you will get there.
Are you tired yet?
No, we're getting our steps in, Mr. Armann. And now you've entered the first and second grade hallways. We'll go past first grade rooms that some of you were in last year. And this is Mr. Armann's room.
Hello.
And you will have math in here with Mr. Armann.
If you're in my homeroom.
Then, if you're in my room, welcome to our classroom, and this is it. Mr. Armann will come in here and teach you math an hour a day, as I will be in his room to teach reading an hour a day.
And this is welcome to the jungle because you'll see lots of tigers, lions, and critters in here.
Most of them. We're excited to see you. See you next week.